Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. Today, I'm gonna be guiding you through how to change your Kaikas Wallet account's password. So the process is quite easy, so let's jump into the video. Open your Kaikas Wallet application and make sure to log into your account. Once you're signed in to the main homepage, tap on the gear button located at the bottom right corner. Inside the settings menu, tap on Change PIN code. Your PIN code acts as a password for your Kaikas wallet. Every time you sign into your account, you will need to enter the 6-digit PIN. So, enter your current 6-digit PIN code in the text boxes. Once you are done, you will now need to enter a new PIN code you are trying to change to. Confirm the new PIN code by entering it again. Once you are done, you have now successfully changed your PIN code or your password for Kaikas Wallet account. Next time you sign into your account, you will then need to enter the newly updated PIN code. And that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.